China now has suffered a permanent, I would say, trust deficit.
In this entire scenario, India is coming out as a strong country in the eyes of the world. Bill Gates recently complimented Mr. Modi, saying that we need a leader like you, and Trump is not being appreciated anywhere. So it is affecting India's image on a global level. So what are these things which are going to help us in the future? Do you see any benefit of this image which we are creating right now, or we are just doing it because it is the need of the time?
I think, Akriti, this will be extremely beneficial for us. We all need to admit that economically we will have hard time in the next 1 to 2 years for sure. But once this world now cannot trust China, all of us admit this, that China now has suffered a permanent, I would say, trust deficit. Now, when China has suffered the permanent trust deficit, a lot of companies and countries will start moving their supply chains away from China. Now, India in this whole pandemic has supplied hydroxychloroquine to United States of America. It has got foreign nationals back. It has supplied it to the Middle Eastern countries. So, in time of need, when the world needed individual to come out of the pandemic, India has been that player. And India is not a conqueror. India is always an accepting power. India will not conquer people. So, Indians do not have that hard power like the Chinese have, where they will go in Africa and with using their state capitalism will try to loot the country and imperialize the country. Indians does not do that. So I see there is huge chance for us, provided we capitalize on this chance. We really need to get the economy going in the next 2 years. Once we get the economy going, because this is the most important time, because Europe is down, China is suffering a global trust deficit, United States of America is looking inwards. So which means there is a huge vacuum. Now, apart from India, there is no other country which can fill the vacuum. Now, it is on us, with such a young country, that if we can take this brand India forward and get people's aspirations realized in the next 2 to 3 years, I think India will be the shining spot, and this will be the inflection point in the world